Turney acquitted in connection with the presumed death of his 17-year-old stepdaughter, Alyssa. A judge threw out that murder case, allowing Turney to go free. ABC 15's Ashley Holden has been following this trial from the beginning and has more on how we got here.
There has not been a shred of physical evidence in this case. No body. No crime scene.
A shocking turn of events Monday after listening to 6 days of testimony in the Michael Turney trial. The state resting their case and the defense team asking the judge to acquit Michael, arguing there wasn't enough substantial evidence. Michael was facing a second-degree murder charge after the disappearance of his stepdaughter, 17-year-old Alyssa Turney. Michael, reportedly the last person to see the teen in 2001, picking her up early from school, but her body never found.
We don't have to prove how he killed her. All we have to prove is that he killed her. And there is circumstantial evidence that he did.
Prosecutors fighting back, but ultimately the judge agreeing.
The court has considered the evidence and finds that substantial evidence does not exist to warrant a conviction.
And just like that, Michael Turney was breathing a sigh of relief in the courtroom.
It's rare, but it does happen. Doesn't usually happen on the bigger cases like second-degree murder.
Criminal defense attorney Mark Victor understands high-profile cases like this all too well, able to break down the judge's ruling.
What's happening is the defense attorney is saying to the judge, don't require me to put anything on here, because even if you believe everything that the state has presented, if you view it in the light most favorable to the state, it still isn't enough for a conviction.
But now he says Michael couldn't be tried again, even if new evidence came to light.
I was in the courtroom. I think I could see Michael kind of give a sigh of relief. How are you guys feeling as his defense team?
I mean, for me, I think we were happy for him.
Michael's attorney is stopping to speak minutes after the acquittal, saying that their client was happy he would soon be released.
He is obviously still very concerned about the case and Alyssa and trying to find who actually killed her.
Alyssa's other family members, including her sister Sarah, in the courtroom Monday, some wiping tears from their face before quickly leaving. The Maricopa County attorney acknowledging the family's decades-long fight for justice in a statement, saying they didn't agree with the ruling, but respected it. In Phoenix, Ashley Holden, ABC 15, Arizona.
Ashley.